Hello, good morning to you all. Today I ordered something from Amazon, which is body weight checking digital machine. I already bought one, which is Beat XP brand. Now a different one. Let us open this package and see how it looks and how it works. Yeah, I'll just try to open this. I'll try to open this. Yeah, see here. This is the box content. Yeah. So I need to open this one also. What would be the inside product of this body weighing machine? Yes, I almost opened this one. See, there are batteries included. Yeah, I'll just try to remove this. This is the user manual they provided, and yeah, this is the warranty card, and there is a thank you letter. These are the weighing standards or something, information like that, and this is the actual product, body weight checking digital machine. I need to insert the batteries and I'll get back to you. I need to reverse this and I need to open this one, and here I need to insert those batteries. See, this is ready. Now I'll just place it here. Batteries are a bit old, so now it is working, and to my surprise it is showing this Celsius degree, something like that, just beside the weight. This one I don't know what is that actually. I need to read the user manual once.